This video explains how to use Mindmap. Mindmap can be used as a separate tool and also in combination with ProConnect. After opening the tool, you reach the Edit menu. Here you can choose the structure and style of your mindmap. You can also enter the subject of the mindmap in this menu. This subject will be entered in the start card of your mindmap. Now go to the bar at the bottom. You will see the I button on the right hand side. Below this, you will find information regarding how to operate the tool and this video. The button for file-based storage can also be found here. You can, of course, save the mindmap in your presentation, but you can also save it as a separate mindmap. The latter has the advantage that you can also retrieve it again as a mindmap and then add it to each presentation. You can use the button to open, save, or overwrite a previous saved mindmap, and save as a mindmap in order to save this as a new mindmap. Three further buttons are located on the left hand side of the bar: Start Tool, Redo, and Start ProConnect. We will look at the tool version first. We will explain the ProConnect version later in this video. As soon as you have clicked on the Start Tool button, the first card in your chosen structure and style will be ready. The subject will also be written in this. You can click on the text if you want to change the subject. A flashing cursor then appears and you can amend the text. Tick the card and the plus sign and settings button will appear. You can use the plus button to add a new card to your mindmap. You can attach new cards to each card. Every time a new card is added, a trash can will also appear alongside the two buttons. You therefore have the option of deleting each card that has been added. The cards can all be moved around. You can then select your desired card settings for each card. Click on the settings button here and you will see the settings menu for the card. The first two options involve changing the color of the text and the color of the card. Select a color and the text and/or the card will immediately change to the chosen color. The font and font size can also be changed. If you have added a number of cards to your mindmap and you want all of these cards to have the same settings, then select the option Apply to Subcards. You can add a picture from the internet or one of your own pictures, illustration or video to the card. Please note, you can only use one of the three options at the same time. A link to a website or presenter work field can be added to the card. What is more, you can add audio with or without pictures from the presenter audio library. An audio file and a link can also be added alongside a picture, illustration, or video on the card. If you would like to change the structure of your mindmap, or you would like to save your mindmap, you can use the button Return to Edit menu to return to the tool start screen. If you are in the Edit menu, then you can return to your existing mindmap via the back button in order to carry on working. As previously stated, you can also create a mindmap via ProConnect. Start a mindmap, ensure that the settings are OK and that the subject has been entered. Then click on the Start ProConnect button. Ensure that you have activated a ProConnect group and that the participants have registered. Once the subject has been sent to the participants, they will be able to see the screen where they can type their own word and send it back. You will see on the screen a complete overview of all the words that have been submitted. Simply click on a word to see which participant submitted the word. If several participants have submitted the same word, then you will see the number for the word. In this case, the names will become visible by clicking on the word. If you do not wish to receive words, then select the option Pause Receive. Participants can no longer submit any more words until Resume is pressed. If there is a word in the row that for whatever reason does not belong here, Then you can drag it to the trash can in order to delete it entirely. You can drag every word that is submitted to your mind map. Drag the word to the card on which it should be added. Here you can also drag the card to another card. Each card also has its own settings menu here. The operation of this menu is the same as of the tool version, as discussed previously. Now it's your turn. Create your own mind map, add media to your mind map, and use ProConnect to create a mind map together.